What is the preferred syntax for defining enums in JavaScript? What is the preferred syntax for defining enums in JavaScript? Something like, my namespace color enum equals red, green, blue, and then later on, if current color equals my namespace color enum red, do whatever. Or is there a more preferable idiom? Since 1.8.5 it's possible to seal and freeze the object, so define the above as const days enum equals object freeze, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, or const days enum equals Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, object freeze, days enum, and you're done. JS enums. However, this doesn't prevent you from assigning an undesired value to a variable, which is often the main goal of enums. Let day equals days enum Tuesday, day equals 298,832,342 goes through without any errors. One way to ensure a stronger degree of type safety, with enums or otherwise, is to use a tool like TypeScript or Flow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.